Meanwhile, does Elon Musk, the second richest person in the world, have a lower tax rate than you? Probably. And there's not much anyone can do about it. Our Robert Frank got the story on how billionaires, and this one in particular, structures his taxes, Robert.
Well, Elon Musk paid no federal income tax in 2018. He paid less than $70,000 in federal income taxes 2 years before that. So how did he do it? Well, the answer is mainly in borrowing. Musk doesn't take a salary from Tesla. He has hit about half the targets in his $50 billion compensation package. That pays out over a decade. But that package is stock options, not cash or income. And when he doesn't want to sell shares if he doesn't have to. So to fund his expenses, he takes loans against his stock. In fact, a lot of stock. SEC filings showed he pledged 92 million shares. Those are now worth about $56 billion to pay for personal loans. He gets cash from the loans, doesn't pay any income tax, and then deducts some of the interest on those loans from his taxes. End result, millions in proceeds without paying any income tax. There are years when he will have a huge tax bill from exercising options grants. Musk tweeting, "I will continue to pay income taxes in California proportionate to my time in the state, which is and will be significant." He's also sold all of his California homes except for one in the Bay Area. He lives in what he says is a $50,000 home in Texas that he rents from SpaceX. Guys, it's hard for me to imagine Elon Musk living in a home worth $50,000. Maybe he sleeps in his Cybertruck. Nonetheless, his taxes are very low. Back to you.
Yeah, I guess where he lives and where he spends his time might be different places in a way. But you point out that billionaire income is lumpy. I wonder if this less ownership lifestyle might be a way for some people to get around some aspects of a potential wealth tax. I mean, it's harder to value what you can't see in some cases, right?
Well, in his case, his asset really is the stock. And so for most of us, our asset is our house. So it wouldn't make sense to sell your house because then you lose the ability to borrow against it. In his case, he has pledged, again, 92 million shares. That is a huge amount to fund the taxes and the amount of money he needs to spend to exercise those options. At some point, he'll cash out, then pay a capital gain tax. So he is paying taxes along the way. These 3 years may have been kind of outliers. But yeah, as long as you have an asset you can borrow against, that is basically income tax-free income, and you get to deduct the interest payments. So it's great for billionaires who own a lot of stock.